You gotta avoid emotional trading, stay calm, and focus during the market fluctuations. Having a trading plan and stick to it. You could see this has been repeated throughout the course, and it's going to continue to be repeated because that is the hardest thing about trading. Just follow your rules. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on fear or greed. Happens sometimes. You're saying, oh, I'm going to get stopped out. Let me move my stop loss down. Don't. If you get stopped out, you could always re-enter. But if you keep moving your stop loss because you think it's going to turn around, it's going to turn around, it's going to turn around, you're being emotional. Now you just took on more risk than you originally planned. Now your risk to reward's all skewed out. And you're just on a downward spiral of losing more and more and more. Or vice versa. You had a TP, you're getting greedy, you're like, okay, I'm not getting out. I know I wanted to get out, but I think it's gonna go way higher. Now price goes against you. You didn't get out where you originally wanted, and then you ended up taking profits way down here when you had a lot more on the trade. Don't let fear or greed control you. I know it's hard. Trust me. I know it's hard. So just don't let it control you. Use risk management techniques such as stop loss orders to limit potential losses. So you should never be trading without a stop loss. That is the only time I trade without a stop loss is in my retirement account because I'm holding for 10, 20, 30 years and I don't care about the fluctuations. I'm constantly adding more to the portfolio. So if it's going down, I'm buying cheaper. If it's going up, I'm buying more expensive. But in my 10 to 30 years, the chances of it being more than it is today is very high. And then I'm okay paying more or less. I'm just, as long as I'm adding more and more. But when you're day trading, you need an exit strategy, you need a profit strategy, and you need an entry strategy. And you just need to do it for every trade. Take breaks. Now, this is very important. So when you're feeling overwhelmed or stressed in a trading session or just throughout the week, know when you could take a break, go walk around, come back to the charts, or just take the day off. If you wake up and you're not feeling it, I always try to get myself up into the charts, and if I'm still not feeling it, it's time to call out of work. I'm done. I don't want to lose more money. I got to be honest with myself. I don't want to go through this emotional battle today. Take a break, reassess, enjoy life, and then come back with a clear head. Then something that will also make you less emotional, keep up to date on market news. You don't want any surprises of randomly a wick just smacks you out, price moves all of a sudden. That's going to stress you out. You're going to be like, what the heck just happened? But if you know a news event's coming up, you know to wait or get out of your trades if you already traded before it, because this could easily hit your stop loss and then back towards your profit. So holding through it is not always the case. Like, you don't want to do that. You want to trade before or after once price settles and shows a direction it's going. So we're kind of going through this. It is just an intro to trading psychology. Our second course, The Mindset of a Trader, will dive into all of this at a much deeper level. But to build your foundations, we want to cover everything, get you a solid foundation so we could build you up and get your business built as a trader.